Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Today's video will show you how to fix iPhone not receiving notifications. Why is iOS 18 not showing notifications? So, there are 8 methods to make the notifications show normally on your device. Fix 1. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. This professional software is excellent at solving all the system errors of iOS. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer and open TunesKit. Choose iOS System Repair section and press the Start button. Step 2. Select Standard Repairing Mode. This mode will not lose any data. Then click the Repair button and wait for the recovery process to finish. Your iPhone will restart automatically after repair. Fix 2. Check Notification Center settings. The Notification Center decides if you can get notifications on your lock screen. If the switch of the Notification Center is gray, you will receive no notifications on your lock screen. Scroll down and find the Notification Center switch and turn it green to enable this feature. Fix 3. Enable Lock Screen Alert. Navigate to the Settings app, then tap Notifications. Generally, the default is stack mode, and notification messages will be folded. If you want to see notification messages more intuitively, you can choose List Mode. Fix 4. Turn off Focus Mode or Do Not Disturb. If Focus Mode or Do Not Disturb is enabled on your iPhone, notifications may be blocked. To receive all notifications normally, you need to turn them off. Swipe down to open Control Center. You'll see different focus modes here. If you want to receive all notifications, make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. If you're gaming or need fewer distractions, you can choose a custom duration or allow notifications from specific apps or contacts only. Fix 5. Reset network settings. Most apps need a stable network to get notifications in time. If you check the network is connected, you can try to reset the network settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then go to General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset Network Settings if your iPhone is iOS 15 or later. Fix 6. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix notification problems. Step 1. Press and hold the side button and either volume button until the power slider appears. Step 2. Slide to power off your iPhone. Step 3. Once it's off, press the side button again until the Apple logo shows up. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.